Hi everyone, so I hope you're liking my videos. I'm trying to clear as many doubts as possible. I'm trying to tell you guys how, I'm trying to inform you guys about a lot of things and give you a first-hand experience of things that I'm experiencing, the hurdles that I'm crossing, and I'm telling you all of those things as is. Now, the next thing that I'm going to do has actually emerged out of some of the doubts that people have about their IQAS application. So I'm going to tell you what to do after you fill your IQAS applications. One question that keeps coming is what to do with the transcripts, how to send them, etc., etc. So I'm going to clear your doubts about India, and I'm also going to, Indian applications, and I'm also going to direct you to the place where you can find information about your country as well. So let's just go here, guys. You can either type how to apply for IQAS, or you can straight away go to alberta.ca website, and here you'll see that uh, there are two options: how to apply and how IQAS assesses credentials. So we'll go to how to apply, which is which is over here, and we'll click on it, and one by one you can see these steps. So I've covered these in my last video, and also because this is not the part that we're going to talk about, we're going to talk about what you do after you apply. So after you have applied, what you need to do or what you need to know are these things. I have taken everyone through this as well, but the most important question that people ask all the time is, what do you do with the transcripts? So for that, this is what I'll quickly take you through what you need to do. They do not give you a refund after paying. If you want to cancel your application, you do not get a refund. Yes, your application will get cancelled, but you won't get a refund if IQAS cannot complete your assessment. Okay, so if IQAS cannot complete the assessment, you may be contacted for further information, and IQAS will let you know if your application has been cancelled. So these things, you can check all of this. Processing time depends on a lot of things. If you've sent one credential, then they'll take about 14 to 16 weeks, and for each additional credential they add an additional 4 weeks for processing. So now what we are going to do is we are going to talk about what to do with the transcripts, right? So if you go to step 4, it says provide original or verifiable transcripts. And there is this form, there is this PDF that you can download. Clearly says country specific document requirements. So we're going to click on this, and we're going to go here. And then we are going to go to page number 36. So let's go to page 36. Okay, I'll come to this part. This is the most confusing part for everybody, but I'll come to this. What does it say? It says that if your credential is either a bachelor's degree, a postgraduate certificate, a diploma certificate, a master's degree, an MPhil degree, or a doctorate degree, which is a PhD of some sort, then this is what you need to submit. You need to submit the diploma and the degree. How do you do that? You do that by uploading it while filling the application. I hope that is clear. A lot of people ask me that, should we send it along with our transcripts? Should we do this, that? No. You need to upload it. You need to upload a clear and readable color scan or digital photo of all pages, front and back. If back is blank, do not scan it. It doesn't make sense. But you must include pages with instructions, barcode stamps, or any other information that is included on the document. So for example, on my degree, the barcode and stamps, etc., were on the back of the degree, which is why they asked for the back as well. So front and back both. Yeah. So you upload this. Next step, your academic transcript, or for doctorate academic transcript, a letter confirming the awarding of doctorate. Now, what do you do? So here, before I take you through what you need to do, look at this part. It says that there are four, I think four different points to this. So if you are from Magad University, then the rules are different. Read this carefully. You need an RTI along with your tested transcripts. If you are from Sikkim Manipal University, you need to also confirm the learning center's address, the study center's address, or the campus where you took the program. For distance educational credential, they cannot assess it because they cannot be verified conclusively. So this is a very, very specific thing, people. If you are from Sikkim Manipal University of Health and Technological Sciences, I think that's what the distance learning university is called. IQAS will not assess your credentials, so do not send them. You can send them if you are from Sikkim Manipal University, the regular university. Okay, if you are from IK Gujarat Punjab Technical University, you must also send student support center, mark sheets, etc. need to be posted if you are from here. So uh, this is again, there's it comes with an asterisk. If you are from Chhatrapati Shahuji Maharaj University, credentials will not be assessed because they cannot be verified conclusively. So again, another exception. So you do not send it, right? Okay, now come to the most important part. What do you do with the transcripts? So guys, do not be confused about transcripts at all because it is not your job. It's the university's job to provide you with transcripts. Doesn't matter how you're sending it, but the provision, the availability, all of it lies with the university. So it is their job and it is their everyday job. So there is no doubt at all you need to do is write to them or go there, whatever your university has options for. For example, my university didn't have an email facility, nothing, absolutely traditional. So I had to visit the university, I had to uh, get the transcripts, and I had to courier it from there. So on IQAS, what you can do is either the institution which issued the final degree certificate, either the university or the autonomous college that you're from, they can send, university can send the transcripts directly to IQAS. Okay? But you can, as an applicant, you can send it to IQAS directly. The only condition is that the envelope in which your transcripts are should be stamped and sealed. The stamp should be on the back flap and it should be sealed, which means it shouldn't be unopened. If it is unopened, if it is tampered, it will not be accepted. Yeah? Okay. If the issuing authority uses trusted digital services to transmit academic credentials. What does that mean? It means that if you're, there are some universities who have their own trusted digital services through which they send transcripts, electronically. They can do that. They can also email it to IQAS themselves from the university ID. Please point to be noted, guys. It cannot be Gmail, Yahoo, Outlook, etc. Email IDs. They have to be the academic, the university email ID, the result branch, or the examination branch. These are the two branches where you have your transcript. So it either has to be that department with the university's ID, or it has to be a third party or some sort of trusted digital service that the university uses to send transcripts. So it can be sent via that, or the like I said, the university can straight away send it to IQAS on this given email ID. And now there's something called Truecopy. Guys, this is a service. This is a safe and secure electronic transfer portal which either your university or you can use to send your transcripts. Now, I'll tell you how. See, IQAS may request additional documents as part of its authentication slash verification process. Fine. How do you send electronic? If your institute uses Truecopy, then your institute or university knows Truecopy, and they can just scan your transcripts, or they can just send it to Truecopy their own way. Or what you can do is, you can take the sealed envelope of transcripts, and you can send it to the Truecopy office. I will provide the address and website in the description. You can send it to Truecopy, and they can then do the needful, and they can send it electronically to IQAS. It's a faster process, because as of yesterday, IQAS is still opening courier packages from their November applications, which means anybody who's applying right now has to wait for quite some time. It might even go beyond their promised processing time. So Truecopy is a quick way to do that. You can take the same condition applies for Truecopy as well. They have to be in a sealed envelope, okay, and they have to be sent to uh, Truecopy, and from there they can send to IQOS. Now there is one line here which might confuse you. It says the above email can only be used by institutions and not applicants. What it means is that you cannot bring the transcripts to yourself. You cannot take it out and scan and send it on this ID. Either your university sends it directly to these guys, or Truecopy sends it to these guys. You cannot send it. That's what it means. So that is pretty much how transcripts work, guys. One last revision: transcripts are available with your university. Either the exam branch or the result branch will have it. You can call them up at any point in time. It is your right to ask for your transcripts. It is your right to call them and inquire about it. Even more now because of COVID, so you can call them, ask them about your transcripts, and they will. Some colleges, some universities, some autonomous colleges, I must mention, some autonomous colleges or universities have the facility of sending it directly to IQAS, and you don't even need to visit the university. You can just pay the courier fee online and your transcript fee online. There are some that will ask you to come down, like my university, and then there is a faster way, which I just told you about, which is Truecopy. So I hope this helps. I'll put the Truecopy information in the description. Thank you, guys. Ask me questions, send them to me, I'll answer them.